Driver education is one of the last industries yet to be digitally transformed. I'm Ray and my company's FlexiDrive. Our app connects learner drivers directly with local instructors to schedule driving lessons in minutes. 10 years ago, to get a driving lesson, you contact every instructor you could find to compare price and availability. Or you call a driving school to be matched in a blind date fashion, forced to work around their schedule, causing huge delays with little control over the process. And today, not much has changed. Established driving instructors are wasting time and money through inadequate lesson management. Meanwhile, instructors who don't have a referral base have plenty of availability but nowhere to advertise it, forcing them to join expensive franchises. The industry itself is facing systemic issues due to the instructor shortage. Today's driving instructors are retiring, and the barrier of entry for the next gen instructor are much higher than they were 5 years ago, making this the ideal time for disruption. Our solution allows learners to take full control. Now they can choose where they learn, when they learn, and who they learn with. Driving instructors can build their entire business using our app. They can manage their bookings and payments, connect with local students, reducing their travel time and static costs by over 30%. Our secure payment system ensures instructors are always paid for no-shows and cancellations, which you don't get when you're traditionally a cash-based business. Complacency has fueled the lack of innovation. The majority of our competitors have failed to adapt to modern best practices that we see in other sectors. Our strategy is to attract and empower the next generation of driving instructors through technology and strategic partnerships. FlexDrive's Training Academy decentralises instructor training through partnerships across Ireland and the UK, introducing new instructors to the industry to meet the demand. We've already recruited our first pilot cohort of 10 new trainee instructors, 2 qualified and 8 more to qualify in the new year. Our goal is to address the scarcity issue for learner drivers while penetrating the market with new entrants. In the past 12 months, over 3,000 lessons have been conducted through our app by over 300 learners, acquiring most organically, and our platforms live in Dublin and Louth. Global opportunity is minimum 6 billion, with our initial focus being Ireland and the UK. This alone is over an 800 million opportunity, with 1 million unique individuals sitting driving tests every single year. Our primary revenue stream is commission of sales through the platform. Although this business is traditionally cash-based, it's not fit for purpose. Our Theory app acts as a lead generation funnel, introducing learners to our brand, natural upsell to driving lessons, creating a recurring revenue stream through subscriptions. Instructor training rounds that are offering, adding a third revenue stream. Our core team have a proven track record in venture scaling, team building, B2C customer acquisition, and deep industry domain knowledge. We're positioned at the forefront to disrupt this industry. We're passionate about addressing the core systemic issues. We're currently raising a pre-seed round with 20% funding already subscribed. If you'd like to help us digitalize this industry, reach out for more information. Thank you very much for your time.